Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Oxford Learning, and today I am going to explain the exercise, solution of the exercise, cybercrime laws exercise. It's chapter number 12, class 8. So let's move ahead and find out the answer. The first question is using real life examples describing why cybercrime is such big threat to society. Just keep in your mind, just answer the related question. According to the question, just write down the answer. Don't write and don't expand the explanation if the explanation is not required here. Here they are asking about the using real life example. It's not about the past, like we have discussed in the cybercrime laws chapter about the US cyber attack and the Yahoo. It's not related to this. It's just a general example. They are asking about the example that describe why the cybercrime is such a big threat to the society nowadays. So I have written this answer, and I have finalized for my students as the world is connected through the internet and use it to get benefits. At the same time, more insecurities are growing. People rely on internet and facing problems. And now which kind of problems they are facing? Becoming the victim of cybercrime can have a long lasting effect on our lives as our privacy is compromised. Attackers may employ phishing and send false emails purporting to come from the bank or other financial institution. If the information is given, then the scammer can play with the data and can cause huge damage. I think this is enough, and maybe it's a little bit long, but all the things were required here. So let's move ahead to the next question. And question number 2 is, was the function of National Response Center for Cybercrime (NRCC). National Response Center for Cybercrime was created to fight and prevent cybercrimes in Pakistan. Some of the responsibilities of this organization are: number one, I have written all these in a short points. These points were written in the book in the long form and in the form of explanation, but I have minimized these statements and I have written all these in 4 points. So the information system security, and the second is investigation, prosecution of high tech crimes. High tech crimes mean the computer crimes on high level, when they rob something, when they just do some financial fraud in the large scale, that is called high tech crimes. Research and development and spreading cybercrime awareness. The cybercrime awareness is the most important element. If the people the people know about the cyber crimes and the rules, they definitely will approach this organization and they will find peace and protection from them. So this is the answer of the question number 2. And here is the question number 3. Just must understand the statement of the question. What is the Prevention of Electronic Crime Act 2016? Describe any 4 features, and in bracket you can see the laws of the act. Here we have many acts and law, but here they are asking about the 4 features only. To combat cybercrime, the Pakistani government passed the Prevention of the Electronic Crimes Act in 2016. This act is a set of laws that details various cybercrimes and penalties for committing them. Here are some features. I have created a table here to explain the penalty and the offense. The offense is electronic fraud. If the people do electronic fraud, the prison term up to 2 years and or fine up to PKR 10 million. Hate speech, prison time up to 7 years and or a fine. Fine is not defined here. Unauthorized access to the information system or data. Hate speech means if you write some negative comment on the positive post. So that's why this is called the hate speech, and it's also a crime when you type something against the religion and communities and culture. So this is called hate speech. Unauthorized access to information system or data. Prison time up to 3 months and are fine up to 50,000. Transmitting harmful computer code. prison time up to 2 years, and a fine up to PKR 1 million. So this is the answer, and we need this type of answer for the question. Let's move ahead. Explain the three ways of to report a cybercrime complaint in Pakistan. What is the way how you can complain the cybercrime and cybercrime cell? If you feel that you are insecure and you are going to become the victim of any cybercrime, so you should contact to the cybercrime complaint center immediately. And here are the three ways I'm going to describe these. If you are a victim of the cybercrime, you should know how to seek help. There are three ways to report a cybercrime in Pakistan. Number one, go to the NR3C website, click on the report cybercrime option and report. When you open the website, you can get the complete procedure there and you can just report with proofs. You can report against the cyber criminals. You can visit the nearest cybercrime reporting center to report a cybercrime. You can visit if you are in a big city, because in some cities the cybercrime centers are available and situated. You can just go there and just complain, and they will definitely listen to your complaint and they will act upon it. Number three, send email at the address. Here is an address is available and you can send your mail with your proofs. When they ask, mail them and tell them the problem and definitely they will solve your problem. So this is all about the exercise. I hope it's now easy for you and you can write down the correct answer in a correct way. Thank you so very much. Allah Hafiz.